Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Stock News. This is the show for Wednesday, June the 4th, 2014. I'm your host, Alan Barry Labucan. I'm also the Chief Market Commentator for AGORACOM. Each morning I go through a bunch of press releases and find the best ones that stand out to me. On the show I talk about what it was about their news that stood out. And I also go into what I see in their stock trends. We generally keep the show to around a 5-minute time frame, and today I have 3 companies to talk about, so we should have no problem with that time frame. The first company I wanted to talk about was Transition Metals. Transition Metals announced that they've expanded their known mineralization at the Sunday Lake project. They intersected 8 meters at 3.85 grams per ton combined platinum group metals. This project is in Thunder Bay, Ontario. It's the Sunday Lake project. It's a joint venture with Transition and Impala Platinum Holdings, or Implats of South Africa. They're a big producer of platinum and palladium. And yeah, this is a quite an interesting project. Not a lot of Canadian PGM projects to follow, but I am bullish on platinum and palladium for many of the same reasons that I'm bullish on other precious metals. And so I'm always on the lookout for these kind of projects, but they're not easy to find. And this is definitely one I'll be keeping a close eye on. The stock today is up a half a cent to 38 cents on 18,000 shares traded hands. This stock, until recently, was a very patchy trader. In the last month, 2 months, it started to trade more consistently on a daily basis, but not a lot of volume on this one, which makes it really difficult to get a comfort level on an analysis of the stock trend. But again, I do think that this is a very interesting project and a company to watch. XTM is their stock symbol, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. Next up is West African Resources. West African Resources came out with some drill results from their project in Burkina Faso, West Africa. They hit 8 meters at 13.41 grams per ton gold. From 6 meters. So it's right at surface. They're hitting high grade. That's a very interesting combination to me. Now, West African also has 250 million shares out, 247 million. So that's something to take into consideration. The stock is up a penny today on 85,000 shares traded, last at 11 cents. This one has only been out for a very short period of time, since January, February. Patchy trader. I'm surprised that a company that new has that much stock out, but I'll have to do some more research into that one. WAF is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. And the final company today is Pretium Resources. Pretium Resources had some drill results out on their Valley of the Kings project in British Columbia, Canada. It's their Bruce Jack project, and one of their holes hit 10.93 meters of 43.57 grams per ton gold. This is a super high grade system that they've been drilling on. They hit a lot of this really high grade gold. Excellent project. I think it'll be taken over in the future. Pretium is up 2 cents today to $7.18 on 191,000 shares traded hands. I'm just grabbing their chart here. The stock has been trending upwards for a number of months now, making higher highs and higher lows, and I think it will continue that. They're just getting into their prime part of the season when they do their drilling up there. And they'll have a lot of news out in the coming months. So that's all the, PVG is their stock symbol. They trade on Toronto. That's a wrap on the news for today. Before making any investment decisions, it's important for you to do your homework and speak with your financial advisors. Join us Tuesday through Thursday for the news shows, and at the end of the week for our best of the best stock picks of the week show. On that note, you have a great day, and we will talk to you soon.